If you are experiencing your iPhone camera not working well and taking blurry photos, then you are not alone. The culprit could be your physical camera lens and incorrectly chosen settings or even you. So today here we will teach you how to say goodbye to blurry iPhone pictures no matter what is causing the blur. So let's get started. Firstly, check that your camera lenses are clear, intact and not obstructed. Sometimes, the only reason your iPhone camera seems blurry is because there is something on lens, a drop of water, a fingerprint, or even a tough to see speck of dust or debris can mess with the autofocus. The best way to clean a camera lens is to gently wipe it with a dry lint-free microfiber. This is also the best way to see if your lens is dirty or damaged. Now, secondly, rule out a random glitch by restarting your iPhone and checking for iOS updates. If the blurry camera issues happen out of the blue or are on and off, it could be a glitch. The quickest way to solve this is to force quit the camera app and restarting your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can also help reset any glitches that may be affecting the camera and other apps. Now, for the other setting, you'll have to go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Inside Settings app, look for the camera and tap on the camera. Now, many of us just use our iPhone camera to point and shoot, so which works just fine in most cases. However, there are certain settings that you can adjust to make sure your photos and videos are the best they can be. So simply tap on the record videos, record cinematic option available there and set it to the 4K option available in your iPhone. Once you do so, scroll down and make sure that your lens correction is toggled on. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.